Hey friends, it's me, Stacy, and my husband. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
And today he's using the Cricut Joy for the very first time. So he's on the iPad, in the app. You're going to go and look for insert cards.
Custom?
Not custom, just regular insert cards.
Mm-hmm.
And find one that you like. Okay, I'm not going to tell you what to do, see if you can figure it out.
Can we change the wording?
No. Okay, it's connecting. I'm going to open that up. Then you can load your paper. Pick out a piece of paper you want over there.
Guess I can't use that one, huh?
Nope, can't use that one.
Can't use that silver stuff either?
Yeah, you're going to use that when you're done. Okay, you want to use a green one?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, take the cover off the mat. That plastic film.
Aren't you glad she ain't telling me what to do?
I'll let you figure it out. It shows you right here. See on the screen? It shows you what to do. You're not
Stick it in there?
not gonna load it yet. You're gonna wait for the next picture to come up. See, there's your mat. Zip the cover off. So you now have to insert the card.
It's going too fast.
Want to make sure you're all the way up and all the way over. Open this part up because it's sticky there. Okay.
Close it?
Yep. And then just give it a good rub. Okay, then put it in the machine. Under the things.
Broke?
Nope. Okay, now it tells you to insert the pen, so pick a pen that you like. These are all Cricut Joy pens, not the adapter. So see, it shows you here.
Just drop it in there?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to go in there?
Yeah, it's fine. It's in there. You don't need to push down or anything. Okay. And hit on the screen. Okay, now it's going to draw. Should be a quick drawing. We're already at 40%. So what do you think? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I like that it tells you everything to do, so it's very user-friendly.
So you use that customize if you want to write your own thing.
Yeah. The glitter is actually really pretty on there. Okay, follow the instructions. It is very user-friendly, don't you think?
Mm-hmm. You gonna outline them stars as it's cutting them out?
I think that's what it's doing now.
It's cutting out the star now.
Yeah.
So it'll leave the blue on the card?
Yeah. It should.
Complete. Stuck.
Just be careful.
What?
It's going to take from this side. There you go. Okay, pull that out. All I need to do now is take over the foil pieces and put it inside there.
Two of them?
No, just one.
You gotta glue it in?
Nope.
How's it not fall out?
Has to go through those slits in the front. Look at that, honey. You made a card.
Look, Joan.
Joni said hi to you. What do you think?
Very good.
Pretty nice.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, so there you have it. Honey using the Cricut Joy for the very first time along with the app, and you made a really cute card.
Should
All right,
say,
friends.
I'm the boss.
Yeah, I'm the boss. All right, friends, thanks so much for watching. Say bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
All right, see you soon.